Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back to Fixify, the YouTube channel that teaches you all the how-tos. We are back here once again working with Notion, the all-in-one team building platform used to manage not only your business, but the team that help runs it. Now, previously we've shown you not only how to use Notion, a basic tutorial, we've also showed you how to use Notion as a workspace calendar. Now, today we're going to be going over how to use Notion as a business website, how to build a website with Notion. Basically, today we're going to be kind of going over a Fixify version of a website. Now, everything we're going to be doing is basically all based around the Fixify YouTube channel. In this kind of business website, we're going to be making a recruiting website, so we could bring on employees, we could bring on clients, we could bring on whoever we need. Now, to get started, you want to come all the way up here where we normally would go to general. We're actually going to come a little bit up higher and go to team spaces. We're going to click the plus icon right there to hit new team space. Click on that. Here we're going to create a new team space. So the name of the team space is going to be Fixify's Recruiting. Let's give it an icon. You could put a little description down. Permissions open right now so anyone can see and join the team space. And then you want to come down here and hit create team space. And there we go. On the side, you can see a new little tab down here. Now this is going to be the launch screen. You can see right here it says team space home. We're going to want to kind of create that. We're going to kind of want to come over and edit that and change that to Fixify's how-to home. And same thing, we're going to kind of just customize everything specifically. You want to come over here and change up the description. And here you go. Now you can see we changed it to Fixify's how-to home, and then we put a little brief description. Fixify is a YouTube channel based around giving you all the best how-tos, teaching you how to use anything such as websites, softwares, apps, and more. And I put a little description down here saying who we're looking to hire. We're going to quickly change this to, instead of about team, we're going to change this to positions. And this one we're going to change to requirements. And we're going to make little bulletin points all the way down here for, let's say, video editors, thumbnail designers, content creators, and for requirements, we're going to put everything we're looking for specifically for these positions. Again, showing you how to do that. I'm going to come over here, hit slash bulletin points. And from here, we can easily make our lists. And then we're going to do the same exact thing for requirements. We could delete this slash bulletin. And same thing, we're going to now put down a little list of requirements. And there we go. I put a little couple of requirements down. So like skilled in some of the Adobe suites like Premiere Pro, Rush, Lightroom, and Photoshop. Minimum 2-year work experience, great skills in working with others, and fluent in English. Now, what I'm now going to do is I'm actually going to make each of these texts in the positions linked to a brand new page so that then the person who wants to come to this site can easily click on it, and that could be their application page. You want to come over here, highlight where it says video editor or whatever you have, for example. Come up here to the 3 little dots. We're going to come over here where it says turn into, and we're going to come up here and say page. And we're going to do the same thing for all of them. Now, specifically with this, because you're using it to welcome in new employees and to attract new businesses, you want to come over and make this look as nice as possible. So we're going to come over here and even make new icons. And there we go. So now to get fully started, I'm going to go over here and click on any one of these. Let's go over to video editor, for example. Let's click on that, and it'll bring us to the video editor page. Okay, now what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to come over here and just click anywhere to start typing. And I'm going to make a couple of different headings or subsections. Now, each one of these I do want to highlight, and let's make them bold just so they could stand out a lot more. Over here, let's give it a nice kind of little background. Let's make it green. Why not? Now, just to make this look a little more fancy, I'm going to come up here right underneath where it says video editor or the title. I'm going to kind of scroll down a little bit and put divider. There we go. Just to kind of separate everything. Now what I'm going to do is give a quick little description of the job along with requirements. And those really just depend on what you want out of this. So I'll be right back with that. Okay, here we go. I put a small little job description of what we would possibly be looking for if we were hiring, along with some requirements that would be a key knowledge for a potential employee. Now down here where it says application, we're going to make another little quick action. I'm going to make a nice little text right here that says video editor application. Highlight that, 3 dots. Come over here, it says turn into, and once again, we're going to turn this into a page. And then same thing we do with all the other ones to make it look more fancy. I'm going to come over here, hit the change icon, and we're going to go back to how we did it before with the little computer, just to signify that this is the video editor application or video editor description title. And then from right here, we can easily just click editor application. Okay, now we're going to do something that we haven't really done yet. We're going to come over here and hit templates. Come all the way up here in the search panel. We're going to type in application. And right here it has job applications. Let's click on that. And this is what the specific application page would look like. Over here, we can hit get template. And there we go. Here is the job application page. Coming back over to the video editor page, you can see right here, it did change that to job applications. Click back on that. And here we go. So we are going to kind of little customize this a little bit. Instead of what it says job applications, we're going to put video editor applications. Come over here, change the icon once again to the computer. Now what's really cool is basically everything is really done for you. So it says current resume, cover letter template, and portfolio. These are going to be where the specific individual will click on and will submit their application or their cover letter or their specific portfolio. So in this instance, it will be their demo reel or their video editor reel. So all the videos that they have edited, they would submit to us. Now I'm going to kind of show you kind of a different way you can do this. Instead of using the template, we can kind of make our very own. And here we go. We're coming over to the thumbnail designer page. Now for the basic home page for the thumbnail designer application page, we are going to basically copy everything we did with the video editor, but for the thumbnail designer, we're just going to hit copy, come over here and hit paste. And there we go. And basically for everything else, we can just we go highlight and delete, highlight and delete, highlight and delete. Now what is pretty cool is right here, it did also copy this video edit application. It says #1 right there, because if we click on it, it also copied this exact page. But however, we don't want that, so we're gonna come over here, 3 dots once again, and delete that. Now let's go ahead and customize everything, like the job description, the requirements, to fit our needs. Okay, and here we go. Now that everything is all done and set, we can come back down here to where it says application. Click on that. We can hit the slash button and hit right here where it says page. And we can turn this into another page. And for here, we're going to put thumbnail designer. And coming back to the thumbnail design, you can see that that is now set. Click on that again. Now from here, we're going to do things very different, and it's going to look very different as opposed to the video editor application. So if you want to do this completely homemade, you could do it by the way I'm about to show you. However, if you just want to use the template, which works perfectly fine, here is that as well. First things first is we are actually going to recopy and repaste the job description down into the application, just to make it look a little bit nicer and to kind of show you what you have to do. Let's come over here and hit slash once again, and let's add a little divider. There we go. And another one right here. We come up here and highlight and just make the text look kind of nice. Bold that, italic that, and underline that. Come over here and give it a nice little background. Let's make it a yellow background. Now from right here on, we can click underneath the line. We can go down a little bit and we can hit the slash button. If we come all the way down, we can see right here where it says file upload, or embed with a link. Come right here, upload a file. Here we could put upload your resume. Bold that, and there we go. So now every time someone comes up here, they can click on that and upload, let's say, a Google Doc of their file or whatever they use to make their application. They can easily put it there, or their resume. Then right here, let's go down again and let's put upload your cover letter. Hit slash again, come all the way down, do file. And then we're going to do this one more time for their portfolio or their video editor reel. And here's a very basic overall idea of an application. So people can upload their resume, their cover letter, and their portfolio, along with a little description of the job. And you can do the same thing with the other jobs that you have. So with social media manager or the content creator that we have listed. And there we go. just like that, you have made a successful little website. Now, to finish things off, is we want to come all the way up here and hit the 3 little dots at the very top. Let's come down here to lock page. So no one who actually already works here is using this page can come over here and mess anything up. So if we try typing, it will not let us. And we can do the same thing with every one of our pages. So I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I hope you found this very informative. Let us know in the comment section below an idea or something you want us to review or make a how-to on for the next video. Now, before I end things off, if you guys liked what you've seen, maybe you guys consider going down in the description box below and check out some of the product links we have listed. When you click on one of the product links, we do receive a small commission if you do buy the product, and it does help the channel out greatly. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys had a great one. With that, thanks for watching.